Welcome to the crop care series in the Sprout Up i6111 YouTube channel. In this series, our aim is to help you grow your crops by providing the steps in planting and tips while growing your desired crop. Stay tuned to this series by clicking the notification bell. We will post every Sprout Up Wednesday. For this episode, we will discuss how to grow basil. Make sure to finish this episode up to the very end because we will reveal awesome tips in the end. What are we waiting for? Let's dive right in. Basil, popularly known as sweet basil, is part of the mint family annual herb valued for its aromatic leaves. Basil is most likely an Indian native and is frequently grown as a kitchen herb. Basil tea is a stimulant, and the leaves are used fresh or dried to flavor meats, fish, salads, and sauces. Here are the steps and tips in growing basil. First, select a variety. Basil is a member of the mint family and comes in a variety of flavors. The leaves can be wrinkled or smooth and range in color from lush green to deep purple. The flavor varies according to the cultivar, with lovely hints of lemon, mint, cinnamon, and licorice. Although sweet basil is a popular choice, Thai basil, lemon basil, and cinnamon basil are also popular. Experiment with different varieties to discover your favorites. Next, locate a sunny spot. Basil grows best in full sun and on days with temperatures over 26 degrees Celsius. Choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. A little afternoon shade is typically good in very hot locations. Third, sow basil seeds or grow basil plants. Growing basil from seeds or seedlings. If you pick basil being transplanted, you can start them indoors for 4 to 6 weeks. You can also sow them immediately in your vegetable garden as seeds. Scatter seeds over the soil's surface, softly cover, and thoroughly water. Next, water on a regular basis. Poor drainage can cause root rot, which is one of the most serious hazards to basil plants. To avoid this problem, choose a location with good drainage and avoid overwatering. Allowing the plants to dry out, on the other hand, might restrict their growth, so keep the soil moist but not excessively wet. Mulch keeps the soil evenly moist, which is especially important if you're growing basil in containers. Before we reveal the last tip, have you subscribed yet? If not, why not hit that subscribe button and like this video for more content like this? Lastly, harvest frequently. Harvesting basil plants frequently throughout the growing season encourages them to grow bushier and with more leaves. When the plants reach around 15 centimeters in height, begin harvesting by pinching off the top leaves. This fosters new growth, ensuring a steady supply of basil throughout the summer. Basil produces blossoms and goes to seed if not harvested on a regular basis. When this happens, the flavor of the leaves begins to fade, so utilize them as soon as possible. When blossom heads appear, pinch them off to maintain the plant producing delicious leaves. And there you go, the steps and tips in growing basil. We hope that this guide helped you. What do you think of this crop care guide? What crops would you like us to feature next? If you have any comments or suggestions, just comment below. Do not forget to like this video, hit that notification bell button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook community, Sprout Up Journeys, where we can share our gardening journeys, our successes and failures. In this community, we can help each other out and learn together because we are #BetterTogether. That's all for this episode. Have an awesome day and continue to sprout up.